Hi now, welcome back to part 4. I'm going to do my lips for part 4. I've already done primer and foundation, and I highlighted a little bit with some concealer under my eyes. I did my brows, that's why they look banging right now. And now I'm going to go in with some lip stain for my lips. If you are new to me, my name's Katie, aka The Real Life Beauty. If you never heard my spiel before, lip stain is my absolute favorite. I do like using lipstick and lip gloss and all those other things, but I have what I like to refer as tiny lip syndrome up top. So lip stain really like fills in the color without making me feel like I'm like drawing outside the lines. So lip stain is my jam, and it's so easy to apply. I'm gonna stop talking so I don't make a mess of it. My tip for the top lip too, I'll share this again and again and again because I think it's amazing. If you have tiny lip syndrome like I do, or you have great lips, like either way, something I learned a long time ago that you just might not have ever heard before is to make an X like where your lips are so that you make sure you don't get it like way above and beyond. So an X right here. And then I can just take the color straight down. Now you want to give it a couple seconds to dry, maybe like 10-15 seconds to dry. I like to go in with a second coat just because I feel like it makes the color is super vibrant already, right? Like you can definitely tell, but I feel like it helps it stay longer, just a personal preference that I go in for a second coat. So let's do that real quick. See how that X just like perfectly outlines my lips? It's crazy. I love it. It was like mind-blowing when I learned that. So hopefully taught you something new today. This is Lipstain, and I'll see you in the next video. Move over.